Welcome to Easy English Stories. Today's story is called At the Coffee Shop. You will learn how to talk about daily routines, coffee, and small talk in English, the natural way. So, relax, listen carefully, and repeat when you can. Let's begin.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Oh yes, please have a seat.
Thank you so much. It's really crowded today.
Yeah, mornings are always busy here. People love their coffee before work.
I can see that. Do you come here often?
Almost. I like their coffee. It's strong and fresh.
Nice. I just moved to this city last week, so I'm still finding good places to eat or relax.
Oh, welcome. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain. And you?
Canada. I came here 3 years ago for work.
That's cool. What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I work at an office just around the corner. What about you?
I'm a student. I'm taking English classes at a language center nearby.
Oh, that's great. How long have you been learning English?
Maybe 2 years. But speaking is still difficult for me.
I understand speaking takes time and practice, but you're doing really well.
Thanks. I watch English shows and listen to podcasts, but sometimes people speak too fast.
Yes, native speakers talk like they're racing sometimes.
Exactly. I just wish everyone spoke like in English class,
Well, we can talk slowly here.
slowly and clearly. I like that idea.
Think of this place as your practice cafe.
Can I have a latte with a little cinnamon, please?
Just a cappuccino, thank you.
I always get nervous ordering in English.
You did perfectly. That was polite and clear.
Really? I was afraid I'd sound strange.
Not at all. You even used a little cinnamon. That's a natural expression.
Thank you. I'm learning new phrases every day.
Thanks. Yeah, the barista here is great.
Thank you so much. Wow, this coffee is amazing. It's so creamy. Barista. What does that mean again?
The barista is the person who makes the coffee.
Ah, right. That's a new word I learned last time.
The professional coffee maker. So, how do you like this city so far?
I love it. It's cleaner than my hometown, and people are friendly. But the weather is a bit cold for me.
Yeah, mornings can be chilly. I always need my coffee to survive.
Me too. I can't start my day without it.
You know, coffee shops are a great place to practice English.
Really? How? That's a good idea.
You can listen to people, hear how they order, or even talk to the staff.
Maybe next time I'll talk to the barista.
Small talk helps a lot. That's the spirit.
By the way, what time is it?
It's almost 10 o'clock.
Oh, my class starts at 10:15. I should go.
No problem. It was nice talking to you.
Same here. I'll probably see you again tomorrow.
Definitely. This is my spot.
Thanks, Tom. See you soon.
Have a great class.
Now, let's review some useful words and expressions from the story. Busy. When there are many people, not quiet. The cafe is busy in the morning. Full. No space left. The table is full of cups. Fresh. New or recently made. I like fresh coffee. Barista. A person who makes coffee in a cafe. The barista made my drink perfectly. Order. To ask for food or drink. I want to order a cappuccino. Croissant. A soft French pastry. I usually eat a croissant for breakfast. Nearby. Close to this place. My office is nearby. Move. To go live in another place. I moved here last week. Routine. Something you do regularly. Drinking coffee is part of my morning routine. Small talk. Short, casual conversation. We made small talk about the weather. Excellent job. You listened to a full English conversation and learned real phrases used in daily life. Try to listen again and repeat out loud. The more you listen, the more natural your English will sound. See you next time for another story. And don't forget your coffee.